Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the Face ID not working on your iPhone after updating to iOS 26. First of all, check the Face ID settings. And for that, open the Settings app and scroll down, then tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode to continue. And here, make sure Face ID is set up and turn on for the features you want to use. After that, clean the TrueDepth camera. Wipe the top of your iPhone screen with a clean and dry cloth. Sometimes dirt, smudges or screen protectors can block the camera. After that, reset Face ID. But make sure stolen device protection is toggled off first. If it is turned on, you may not be able to reset Face ID. After you turn it off, tap on Reset Face ID and set it up again. Then, restart your iPhone to refresh the system. A reboot often fixes temporary glitches. And finally, if Face ID still doesn't work, there may be a hardware problem. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for any help. And that's all. These steps should help fix Face ID not working on iOS 26. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.